If you've ever looked at your lawn and noticed a fast-growing grass that seems to appear out of nowhere, spreads in every direction, and keeps coming back no matter how many times you pull it out, you're probably dealing with crabgrass. And here's the frustrating part. Most people fight crabgrass the wrong way. They spend hours pulling it out, spray random weed killers, and then wonder why it's back the following year. The truth is, getting rid of crabgrass isn't about working harder. It's about understanding how this weed survives. Let's break it down. Before we go ahead, let me clear one thing. Even if the weed in your garden isn't actually crabgrass, you'll see some lookalikes in this video. But another grassy weed like crowfoot grass, goosegrass, or a similar lookalike, don't skip this video. These weeds spread in similar ways and thrive under similar conditions. So many of the prevention and control methods I'll cover today work for all of them. If you're using a chemical herbicide, always identify the weed first and check the product label. Some herbicides that kill crabgrass may not be effective against every grassy weed. Okay, what exactly is crabgrass? Crabgrass is an annual grassy weed. That means each individual plant only lives for one growing season. It germinates in spring, grows aggressively throughout summer, produces thousands of seeds, and then dies when frost arrives. You might think, great, it dies on its own. Yes, but before it dies, a single plant can produce up to 150,000 seeds. Those seeds stay in the soil waiting for next spring. That's why crabgrass seems to come back year after year, even though last year's plants are already dead. So if you only kill this year's plants without preventing next year's seeds from sprouting, you're stuck in an endless cycle. Now, let's talk about the best ways to eliminate it. Step 1. And this is the easiest method. All you need to do is pull all of the young plants before they produce seeds. If you only have a few patches, hand pulling is surprisingly effective. Pull after rain or watering when the soil is soft. Make sure to remove the entire root. But if the plant already has seed heads, don't just throw it on the ground. Bag it and dispose of it. Otherwise, those seeds can still spread. Step 2. Many people mow their lawn too short because they think it looks neat. Unfortunately, crabgrass loves short lawns. When grass is cut too low, more sunlight reaches the soil, creating the perfect conditions for crabgrass seeds to germinate. Instead, keep your lawn slightly taller. Most turf grasses stay healthier when maintained around 2.5 to 4 inches, depending on the grass type. A thick lawn naturally shades the soil and prevents crabgrass from getting enough light. Step 3. Frequent shallow watering encourages crabgrass because its roots stay close to the surface. Instead, water deeply once or twice a week. This encourages your lawn's roots to grow deeper, making the grass stronger and better able to outcompete weeds. Step 4. Crabgrass thrives where grass is weak. A healthy lawn is actually one of the best weed killers. Fertilize according to your grass type and season, repair bare spots, and overseed thin areas. The denser your lawn becomes, the less room crabgrass has to invade. Now here's the most powerful weapon against crabgrass. It's called a pre-emergent herbicide. This type of herbicide doesn't kill existing crabgrass. Instead, it prevents the seeds from germinating in the first place. However, the timing is critical. Make sure to apply it in early spring, just before crabgrass seeds start sprouting. Once the seeds have already germinated, it's too late for pre-emergent products to work. If crabgrass is already growing, you'll need a post-emergent herbicide designed specifically for crabgrass. Always follow the product label carefully because some herbicides can damage certain lawn grasses. Now, let's clear up a few common mistakes. Mistake number 1. Waiting until the lawn is completely covered. Crabgrass is much easier to control when you catch it early. Mistake number 2. Bare soil is an open invitation for new crabgrass seeds. Always reseed or plant grass immediately after removing weeds. Mistake number 3. Thousands of seeds may already be hiding in the soil. Controlling crabgrass usually takes more than one season. If crabgrass keeps returning to the exact same areas every year, don't just blame the weed. Look for the real cause. Maybe that area has compacted soil. Maybe it gets too much foot traffic. Maybe your sprinkler isn't reaching it. Or maybe the grass there is simply too thin. Fix the underlying problem, and you'll often eliminate the weed permanently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next gardening video.